Hey guys, Sandy here, and I wanted to share with you the bag that I am taking to JunkieFest. So this is a 31 bag. It is, I have no idea what it is, other than a 31 bag. And that usually houses my ribbons and trims in these freckled fawn pouches. They sit like this and they go in rainbow order. But this is what I'm taking to JunkieFest. Okay, so I want to show you what I'm bringing. It's not a lot. It's kind of ridiculous. Okay, so I have cards. These are already made cards, donation and thank you cards. So we have those. I have some card bases. This is the Nina Solar White. It is 80-pound weight. I know that most card bases are 110-pound weight, but I just picked these up from scrapbook.com so that I would just be able to pop them right in there and take them with me. Of course, I have my ATG. I'm just taking one. I'm taking the pink one. There's my name. I do have my heat gun. This is a Wagner heat gun, and my Lawn Fawn stamp chamois. Don't know why they're in the same bag, but they are. Put this off to the side a little bit. Okay. And here I have a pair of scissors. It is my Get Crafty Chamel scissors. And of course they needed their own bag. In here in this little pencil case, I got this from Brutus Monroe in the retirement sale. In here I have a water brush, a Spectrum Noir sparkle pen, tweezers, my Creative Memories multi-purpose tool, my Illustrated Faith pen, a bone folder, a mechanical pencil, and my Stettler white eraser. I also have my Tim Holtz tonic trimmer. I have an empty distress sprayer bottle. I have my Arteza Real Brush pens in the 48 color set. I need to find something besides this bad boy to put them in to take with me. So I need to figure that out. I have two black ink pads. One is Stays On and one is Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I have my Stampin' Up! Stampin' Scrub that is old and broken. The little hinge things don't even work anymore. I have my Tim Holtz tonic stamp platform, which, guys, Tonic's not going to be selling this anymore in the US. They came to an agreement with Misty, and they're not going to be selling this anymore in the US. So, if you want one, I would suggest you get one. I also have a centering ruler. And then in here I have some things. I have my anti-static powder tool, my anti-static powder bag, and a couple of acrylic blocks. And then in here, in this other bag, I have a bunch of adhesives. So I have some glue dots. I just flattened and clipped with a binder clip. Have an extra roll of ATG tape. I have my Scotch Permanent Dot Runner. Have my Bonding Memories from Close to My Heart. I have my Tombow Mono Liquid Glue. I have a, what is this, a sticky eraser thing. This is a new one. I had an older one and it was gross and used up. And then I have my bag, and that is it. I'm debating on taking some mini ink cubes, and I'm debating on whether or not I want to pre-stamp some things to color. That might happen, it might not, but there it is.